Good morning, everyone. Today I'll walk you through the business model canvas for our innovative foldable motorcycle helmet. This product solves a critical pain point for riders. Bulky helmets that are hard to carry, our solution, a portable safety certified helmet that folds down to half its size, perfect for urban commuters, delivery riders, and anyone who values convenience without compromising safety. So our start name is CG, which is Affordable Motorcycle Helmet. For key partners, we're collaborating with specialized helmet manufacturers to ensure high quality materials and production. Suppliers to lightweight, impact resistant polymers are key along with distributors and e-commerce platforms to reach global markets. We're also working with regulatory agencies to meet safety standards like DOT or SNEL. So for key activities, our team focuses on three core activities. The first one is the R&D to refine the foldable mechanism and comfort. For the second one is the certifications testing to ensure global compliance. And for the third one is the aggressive marketing, leveraging social media and motorcycle influencer to highlight our portable safety angle. So for our value propositions, why will rider choose us? So there are three. The first one is the safety, convenience, and affordability. For the compact design, it fits in a backpack unlike rigid helmet. And for the certified protection, it meets the same crash test standard as traditional helmets. And for the style options, it is customizable colors designed for personal branding. For our customer segments, we target urban riders who use bikes daily, especially delivery drivers, bike share users, and commuters in crowded cities. Secondary markets includes travelers and safety-conscious parent buying for teens. For the customer relationships, we'll build trust 24/7 support, a 1-year warranty and interactive campaign like Fold hashtag Fold and Go to showcase real stories post-purchase will offer loyalty discounts for referrals. For our channels, sales will flow through our website, Amazon or Lazada for global reach, local motorcycles for hands-on demos, and for the pop-up at bike expos to drive hype. So our key resource, our patented foldable mechanism is the crown jewel. We also rely on lean engineering team, partnership with ISO certified factories, and digital first marketing toolkit. For the cost structure, major cost includes material sourcing, lightweight polymers, certification fees, and performance marketing. We're optimizing costs with lean manufacturing and pre-order campaigns. For our revenue streams, revenue comes from direct sales about to 4,000 to 9,000 per unit. If it is bulk orders, it has 20% volume discount. For accessories like visors and carrying cases, it is high margin add-ons. In short, we're not just selling helmets. We're selling freedom from bulk with most of the riders complaining about storage issues. Our foldable design captures billion gaps market gap. We're now seeking investment and partnership to scale production. Thank you. Let's discuss how you can join this ride.